So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin mga injuries kabola and some heroics kabola, some happenings kabola, then a little bit of a rant, and then pag-usapan natin yung big man po ng Ginebra kung panahon na ba para ito po ay i-trade. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Comment ka po muna naman fans. User NY2K malapit na mag-trade ang SMB kasama na si Troy sa SMB sa Governor's Cup. Shoutout naman idol. Shoutout Sir Malyari Mas Carinas. So I think hindi po mangyayari yan kabola. Wala tayong nararamdaman. And of course Blackwater is fighting hard for a playoff spot. So I doubt po na ibibigay po nila si Rosario at this point. Edwin Trinidad, kalaki binaba na laro ni Mocon kumpara ng first year and second year niya sa ROS. Ngayon bumaba gusto mula mapunta sa Phoenix kabola. Pa-roll din kasi ang may ano dyan big impact po dyan kabola. Pero kung titignan mo naman hindi naman po ganun, no? Stocks don't lie naman po kabola. Edwin Trinidad, ayan ba blockbuster trade bet Mocon and Olario, sabi niya po dito kabola. Now, unang maganda pag-usapan dyan, first Hobson kabola. Actually, nasabi na po napapalitan siya pero nag-deliver siya muna his second and the second in the PBA din po kabola na 4-point game winning shot kabola. What an amazing guy. Legendary na in a way status niya for hitting not 1 but 2 game winning 4-point shot. So yan ang impact ng 4-point shot kabola. Very logical naman. It makes clutch kabola more exciting kasi nga pag 3 points po yung disadvantage, mas malaki po yung chance or may chance pa rin talagang manalo po agad-agad. Yun pong nasa humahabol kabola. Now, pag-usapan din natin ito pong injury ni Stan Heidinger kabola. So, hindi na nga daw po niya matatapos ito Governor's Cup. Although, of course, mukhang eliminated naman agad po ang Terra Firma. Pero hindi na niya matatapos. Currently, winless pa rin po ang Terra Firma kabola. Kasi nagpa-back-to-back nga po silang game-winning.
What's wrong with you, bro? What the heck?
Pero ang pinag-uusapan ngayon ng mga tao dito is the possibility na nalaro na po ni Stan Heidinger ang kanyang huling laro sa PBA kabola. Kasi nga na-rumor actually after the trade with Ginebra kabola na baka maaari na lumipat na po siya ng ibang liga kabola. And of course, special with his age at 35, either lumipat or totally magretiro na siguro kabola. So lahat yan is possibility. Mag-end daw yung kontrata niya ng November kabola. And maybe that's a possible reason talaga kabola. Maybe there are rumblings na po before pa siya trade ng Ginebra na magre-retiro na siya kahit renade muna siya ng Ginebra. All of those are possibilities. Pero one thing is for sure, the moment that is announced, that will make it very very clear in the eyes of a lot of fans kabola kung kano po katalo ang Terra Firma in that trade with Barangay Ginebra kabola. Pero of course, we are still anticipating or we're still hoping na at the very least, much better pa rin para sa amin. Of course, na matrade na lang po siya sa isang legit team. Either sa Magnolia or pumunta po naman sa MVP group. Basta, I mean, I enjoyed watching him kabola and I think he has a lot more of good years left kabola in him. Yun po yung tingin natin. Now kabola, ito nga, si Isaac Godin actually yung nakapalitan niya, yung maganda pag-usapan. Bakit po magandang pag-usapan sa Isaac Go? Kasi nga po na-injured siya kabola. And of course, we know that next to Maverick Anmis, he is one of the guy that's really hated right now by a lot of fans of Ginebra kabola. Kasi nga parang naalala daw nila si Greg Slaughter with the way he plays kabola, with his slow-footedness in his game. Kabola na, injured pa siya. Kaya naman maraming fans, kabola, rumblings right now, na baka matrade na to kabola to get something in return. And I think Ginebra is really considering that. Especially that they're in, again, tight race, diba? Yung mga daming reviews dito, nang pangit yung start ng Ginebra, no? They're, again, at the top of their group with the 5-2 record, kabola. So, there's a tight race here. Malamang ganyan din na tight ulit yung contention, of course, sa mga susunod pong tournament. So, getting another reliable big man can be done without trading Go. Pero, pwede rin kasing si Go na mismo yung trade mo with his injury history. May nadagdag na naman. Ito nga po injury niya ngayon. Kabola, diba? Parang yung trading him will not be that shocking. Pero pwede rin hindi. And I think mas inline yun sa ugali po ni Coach Tim Cone kabola. And I think you can be patient with Isaac Go. Although, of course, just imagine if you will replace, like, they can trade Isaac Go and get Tautua in return kabola or Kid Flores in return. I think those are good upgrades kumpara po sa isang injured na Isaac Cole. O baka para sa palagay mo, dapat na ba yung trade ng Hinebra si Go? Comment lang po sa baba.